Hello, I'm Jesse and this is another Stone video. Tonight we'll be discussing paranormal investigation. What is paranormal investigating? Paranormal investigating is basically going to a place you think might have a spirit or an entity of someone who has passed on to the other life. How does one go about doing paranormal investigation? Well, there's a couple things you can do. Getting the right gear, maybe researching where you want to go, and gathering a couple friends so you're not alone. Where should you go? Places you believe there might be spirits or entities that still might be lingering around. Maybe a haunted jail cell, an asylum, or a graveyard that you can get access to very easily. What equipment should you use? There's several kinds of equipment that you can use. A spirit box, a camera that has night vision, a voice recorder, an EMF detector, and a rod and dowel. What is a spirit box? A spirit box is basically an audio-only device that rapidly scans through multiple audio channels that is said to make it relatively easy for ghosts to manipulate to say words or phrases in real time. It has been proven that sounds other than spoken languages can be captured on the spirit box and is usually discovered as something other than what is surrounding the investigator. What is an EMF detector? They are used to detect electronic fields around us. It is said that ghosts give off electromagnetic signal and an EMF detector can sense this. What is a rod and dowel? A rod and dowel is basically two rods that are at a 90-degree angle that you would hold and you would ask questions. And if they cross, that is a yes. If they separate, that's like a no answer. So when you're ready with all the right gear and you've done your research on places to visit, be sure to stay cautious and always use the buddy system. Never investigate alone. Start off small. You'll need to build credibility to explore some of the notoriously haunted venues. That has been your extra spooky Stone video. Thanks for watching. I'm Jesse. Be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment about what you like to use for your ghost hunting and where you've tried to look for ghosts.